I went homeware shopping and I absolutely adore buying stuff for home, whether it's to do with decor, interiors, kitchenware, bathware. Basically, I just love making things around me beautiful, aesthetic. Apart from that, हमारे घर पे guests भी आ रहे हैं. There are roughly around 20 people coming to our place. I don't have much house help as of now, so basically the onus is on me. That means I need a lot of assistance, whether it's in terms of utensils or just kitchenware. तो इस वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाने जा रही हूँ कि मैंने 12,000 रुपीज़ में क्या क्या शॉप किया. मैंने बहुत ही यूजेबल क्वालिटी पीसेस लिए हैं. आई हैवंट जस्ट बॉट एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ देम आर अंडर 12,000 रुपीज़ विच इज़ अ बिग बार्गेन. अगर मैं ये किसी बड़े होम सेंटर स्टोर से लेती और मे बी लाइक अ luxury mall or something, I would have ended up paying 5 times the amount, which would be roughly 50k. But मैंने spend करे सिर्फ 12,000. अच्छा, मैं अब ज़्यादा प्रमोशन करना बंद करती हूँ. And let me show you why I'm excited to show you what I've got. ये pieces actually worthy हैं. Firstly, we have this tray here. मैं निकाल के दिखाती हूँ. ये बहुत ही pretty tray है. This tray, I do remember the price. So it's a set. You've got 2 trays, a tissue box here, and one stand to put in cutlery. मैंने ये इसलिए लिया क्योंकि I'm not just getting the trays, but I'm also getting like a set. So if someone wants to use tissue paper, they've got the tissues here. ये फेंडी के डिज़ाइन था इसमें, तो आई वाज लाइक ओह, फेंडी on a tray, I cannot miss that. Something like this, aesthetic yet very utility purpose driven. So that's the first thing. और अगर मैं ये बेडरूम की साइड टेबल पे भी रखूँ just to keep in some medicine, some tissue paper, it's gonna look very pretty. I'm gonna remove all these plastic because I don't ये ऐसे noise करते हैं. Got these tissue papers which are very handy, especially when you serve like snacks or even dinner. You need something to clean your hands with. Basic tissue ice trays. India में it's right now, especially Delhi, it's freaking 50 degrees and you just feel like not eating anything but consuming lots and lots of liquids. और जब get together हो, drinks ना हो, mocktails ना हो, cocktails ना हो, so it's not a get together really. So I bought these 2 ice trays. ये separately हैं, and I like the color grey because grey symbolizes water. And it's a water element, ice is a water element, fridge में रखना है, so there you go. This one I got for 200. 4 of them I got for 200, which is again a bargain. Then this is my favorite thing because the looks are so good. Like I thought मुझे कुछ नहीं मिलेगा in terms of serving bowls for snacks, लेकिन मुझे ये मिल गया. I wanted something which is sustainable for the environment. मुझे प्लास्टिक नहीं चाहिए था, ना ही मुझे कोई और मटेरियल का चाहिए था which is not healthy for the environment. So I went ahead with this stainless steel का bowl that you can use to serve any snacks, whether it's meat based or non-meat based, and the looks are also so pretty. It's in golden and steel color, which again is not very gaudy. तो जब मैं like इसको रखूँगी टेबल पे, और let me just show you my bowl removes, but I will show you what I mean. Ta-da! this is how it looks. Again, इस पे भी Fendi का design है. I'm not sure how it will come across in the video, but it's actually very pretty. ये stainless steel का है अंदर से, and you can airtight it. So yeah, and look at the royal legs. So अगर ये रखो ऐसे टेबल पे, it will look very pretty. That's a snack bowl. I bought 3 of those butter paper sheets. There was a time when I used to use a lot of foil, जो aluminium का foil आता है, but then I realized I'm making unhealthy choice. Aluminium is basically aluminium. Aluminium का foil aluminium है, तो I instead got these sheets. ये butter paper sheets हैं, paper की बनी हुई हैं. So and yeah, butter paper sheets. I had to buy a set of glasses. These can be used for drinks, for any kind of mocktail. और मेरे हाथ इतने dusty हो गए हैं ये सब पकड़ के, because basically the shopkeeper took it out from a warehouse, and yeah, anyway, so that's how the glass looks. Again, pretty. ये रखा हुआ भी अच्छा लगेगा, पीते हुए भी अच्छा लगेगा. So that's the tall glass. इसका मैंने short version भी लिया है, just in case someone does not want a lot of liquid. So shorter version, which is again I got for a bargain. I think ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत useful होने वाली है. Even when the guests like will leave, it's not like I will dump these things in my kitchen cupboard and not use them. If anything, I'm gonna use them more because now it's like new and it's all in trend. बात आते हैं हम मोमोज स्टीमर पे. I'm not gonna open this because it's a bit bulky, but ये भी मैंने लिया और ये मुझे पड़ा 800 रुपीज़ का. Yes, I got this momos box for 800 rupees. ये अगेन स्टेनलेस स्टील का है, बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी का है, वन ऑफ द टॉप ब्रांड्स ऑफ यूटेंसिल्स. मेन सामान सारा दिखा दिया है. आई हैव शोन बटर पेपर, आइस, टिश्यूज वेरी हैंडी, देन द मेन tray. I've shown the snacks, stainless steel box. I've shown glasses. Wow, this looks like a royalty. Photo bits and pieces here. Oh, very important. Bins bag, cutlery. I've got these golden spoons, forks, जो again golden है. I'm not sure ये video boring तो नहीं हो रही because I'm finding it very interesting. Serving spoons, big ones. The color is so pretty. Open it up. Dun, 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 dun. And the best part is it comes inside this thick pouches, so I can easily store them back if need be. I've got this roti or naan रखने के लिए, what should I say, basket or like just like a tray that I'm gonna cover with butter paper first. Roti and breads, because we are fond of any breads. I'm done showing. Let me show you how my table looks right now. Messy as. Basically, this is all the stuff that I bought right now, or that is it. And I hope you guys liked my not so boring video on what I bought today. I've got all this on the table right here, and hopefully I'm gonna be a good host, serve everybody well. So let me know what you think of my purchases. मैंने बहुत ही, as I said before, useful daily items लिए हैं, daily useful items लिए हैं, और useful daily. Yeah, So I'm quite satisfied with spending 12k on at least roughly 30 items, 30 odd items. Mera favorite has to be, any guesses? Let me show you. Mera favorite kya hai? I think most of you would have guessed right, which has to be the tray set जो मुझे जितने का ही मिला. I forgot another price. And इस टेबल Fendi का डिज़ाइन है. The colors black and white and gold, all luxe. So yeah.